Hi guys. Welcome to the 4-Wheel TV channel. Support us by clicking the subscribe button and pressing the notification button. Thank you. Having been around starting around 2010, the Mitsubishi ASX is perhaps the most established vehicle right now discounted. Fortunately, the subcompact hybrid is expected to get a total redesign as the cutting-edge model will show up in Europe toward the start of 2023. According to the first declaration made toward the start of the year, the Captur's sister model will be worked by Renault at its Valladolid plant in Spain. In the interim, Mitsubishi Germany has discreetly declared powertrain determinations for the redid ASX. To the astonishment of nobody, the numbers appear to be terribly natural. That is on the grounds that we've proactively seen them on the second-age Captur, which has been around starting around 2019. The section point into the setup will be a turbocharged 3-chamber fuel motor creating 91 pull to reflect Renault and Dacia items that utilization the 1.0-liter TCE factory. It will work only with a 6-speed manual gearbox. Up next is the 1.3-liter 4-pot with 140 horsepower. Would it be advisable for you go for the 6-speed manual or 158 horsepower when the motor is attached to the 7-speed, double grasp programmed? Picking the half and half means a normally suctioned 1.6-liter gas motor cooperating with an electric engine for a consolidated result of 145 horsepower. As it's the situation with the Captur, the most strong ASX of the parcel will be the module crossover with 160 horsepower on tap by joining the 1.6-liter motor with a couple of electric engines. It'll knock the non-PHEV's little 1.3-kWh battery to a limit of 10.5 kWh for expanded range in unadulterated electric mode. Reflecting its Renault same, Mitsubishi won't sell its B-portion hybrid with a diesel motor. In related news, Renault has affirmed the Clio MKV will be out in 2026 and is as yet going to have ignition motors since a total change to electric impetus is considered as being excessively untimely. The French automaker is as of now dealing with comparatively estimated EVs as the Renault 5 will be out in 2025 and will be trailed by a zero discharges Renault 4.